see how big it gets. That's what she said. Okay, so gonna do a tutorial for the chicken parm. To start, you're gonna need like a bowl, and Italian dressing, and 3 eggs is what I use. You're gonna mix those two up. You're gonna use like 3/4 of a bottle of this. I make a lot of chicken cutlet though, so maybe you don't need that much, but I'm just showing you how I make it. It's good to store in the fridge too. So when you put the 3 eggs in, it should look something like this, and you're just gonna wanna mix that up. I like doing that first because I have to slice and pound the chicken up, and then I just toss it in there so that it kind of just marinates already. For the chicken, I use plain panko seasoned breadcrumbs. I just like how both of them together come out. So here's the plain, here's the seasoned. It'll look something like this. Just gonna mix it all up. You can also start adding seasonings here if you want. Italian seasoning, adobo, whatever. I like adding adobo and Italian seasoning. I'm just going to show you guys the setup that I have really quick, just to kind of make it as easy as possible to kind of get through all the steps. So here's the chicken breast. I'm going to slice it, and here I have my beater upper knife, my bag, gloves, the egg and Italian dressing mixture, the breadcrumb, and then here is for after all the chickens get breadcrumbed. The butcher, they slice it like this, but we're gonna slice it like this instead. So vertical. I like getting 3 pieces. You don't have to pound it. I don't think Rita pounds it. But I just like to do it. You see how big it gets? That's what she said. I have the chicken in here. Oh my god, I almost tipped that over. Sorry. I'm gonna mix it all up. And then you're gonna start breading it. So bring your pan aside, to the side next to you. And then grab your chickens that are nice and wet. And start breading them. Beautiful. Just want to know you're my favorite girl. If you're able to, I think that it just helps the breadcrumbs stay on the cutlet better when you're frying it. If you can fridge it for a little bit, I'm gonna fridge mine. I have also not fridged it, and it's been fine, so I'm just offering. Okay, so pull the chicken out. I like using avocado oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil or like vegetable oil, however, whatever you want to use to fry the chicken. I pull these bad boys out and add some of the sauce on the chicken. It's all nice nice and hot. Add I'm gonna broil this on high for literally like 3 minutes. I'm only doing it until the cheese gets that like one little like brown spot on it. And it's fine.